gentlemen, love feels the moment. And the moment begins eternity. Love feels the lifetime. And the lifetime begins this hours and the journey has begun. So right now, I am requesting everybody to please all stand. As we witness the grand entrance of our lovely newlywed. Ladies and gentlemen, special reminders para sa ating lahat. Everybody, this is not a quiet and dance. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a celebration and dance. So right now, I'm requesting everybody to make some noise. Kanina lang during the ceremony ay na-witness ng lahat ang inyong first legal kiss. The rest of the kisses, illegal pa inyo si Padre. Okay? So again, we want to witness another kiss, which is your first reception kiss, or also known as the Lord Kiss Kiss. Feeling na ko kay 24 hours na. Overtime po tayo ngayon. No, the web. Ilang araw po yung longest kiss?